Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna try to make my stage 1 Barney a little bit faster. Remember guys to like, comment and subscribe, and let's share so we can get more subscribers, so we can grow this channel. If you haven't seen my other videos on Barney, you have to check it out. The full build of this jet ski. Now when I ran it, it only went 77 miles per hour with the stock prop. So today we got 3 different props. Now we're gonna try on this, and it already has a pump wedge, and we're gonna find out if this pump wedge really works on the 21 RXTX. Well, let's get to work. All right guys, so we are back in the shop, and this is all the props that we are gonna be testing. And this video is sponsored by Calas Performance. Go to my website, Calas Performance, check out my parts and all the new parts that we are adding every day. And that will help me and the channel, and I will have more videos for you guys. Now, this one, it's a 1318, just a regular 1318. This one, it's a 1316. We're gonna be trying this one. And this is the stock RXP-X 21 and up prop. I got a lot of you guys telling me that this is a good prop. We're gonna test it on the stage 1. And this is what we just tested. This is just a regular RXT prop from 2018. Let's get to work. All right, so the test is fair. I'm putting the factory cone on it. We're gonna try the 1316 right there against the factory prop. I got 2 pumps, 2 factory pumps. This wiring looks bad, but it's really nice. It's just a little scratch, but that's no problem. So let's go ahead and put them together. All right, we're ready to go. All right, so we're finished. We got everything on. Now we go to the lake, and I'm really curious to see what's gonna happen. All right, so we just got to the lake, and then we got the crew here. They want to go riding, but I gotta work so I can make videos for you guys. Here's Manny.
What's up? And I do like a year.
The crew's here, they're ready to go play, and I gotta work. I gotta make videos for you guys. So next time, I'm going riding. All right, so the first prop we're gonna try is the 1316 Solas 3-blade. Let's see how this prop performs. All right, let's do a whole shot and see what it does. All right, so the first thing I noticed is it cavitates, and it has a brand new wiring now. And it just cavitates, but it goes and it accelerates pretty good compared to the factory prop. But in just that run right there, I did not see 77. So we're gonna do a longer run and see if we can hit 77 miles per hour. All right, with these 78 miles, huh? Okay, it's a little challenging. Now we have people on the lake, but it hit 78. I wasn't expecting, I mean, you know, I didn't know what I was expecting, so 78. Let's see the RPMs, what they are. Oh man! 28 miles per hour. Oh, I don't like that. All right, we're going back to the trailer, baby. All right, so I definitely don't want to do that. 8,500, that's way too much RPM for 1 mile. And this is not a race ski, it's a recreational ski. So we're definitely not going with a 1316 on this setup. No way, not for 1 mile. So we have to test some other props. Let's test the factory prop now and see what we can get. All right, so we're done. We're gonna go test the RXP-X prop. All right, so we got RXP-X 21 and up factory prop. Let's see what we get mile per hour. We got 77 miles per hour, the same mile per hour that we got with the stock RXT prop. Huh. All right, well, let's see what we get with RPMs. RPMs, so a little bit more. Wow, I kind of like the RXT prop so far. Low RPM, but this one takes off a little better. I don't know, if I had to pick, I'll probably pick this one. Maybe because of the extra RPMs, I don't know. Let's do a whole shot. Definitely like this prop. Zero cavitation, it just goes, and it's my favorite prop so far. The RPMs are a little higher, but that's okay. You get a little bit more acceleration. So I definitely like this prop. Let's do one more speed run and see if we can go 78. So definitely the RXP-X 21 so far. It's way better than the factory RXT prop. It's a little bit more RPMs, and it accelerates faster and no cavitation out of the hole. So I really like this prop. So now we gotta test a 1318 and see what we get. All right, so I'm here at the lake and look at this group here. This is all the fast guys from here, and especially this guy here.
No,
He's fast.
If you see a blue GP online,
oh yeah,
that's his shit right there. There you go.
Yeah, he's the one. Just chilling here with the guys, and I loaned my jet ski to my friend, and he's just riding and beating the crap out of it. So hopefully we'll get it back in one piece and we get to test the 1318. So what do you think? You like it? He has this one, and this key used to be mine, and he convinced me to sell it to him. So I had a lot of fun on this one. All right, so we're back at the shop, and now we're gonna test the 1318 right there, and we're gonna see. Now we also put the same cone on, and we're gonna see what mile per hour we get with this one. All right, guys, so we're back to the lake. The weather have changed. It's windy, rain is coming, so let's do this really quick. Something. All right, so it went 76 miles per hour, so not what I was looking for. Let's see RPMs wise. And it stayed at 8,276 miles per hour. So let me do one more and see if I can cheat and just sit back and see if we can get at least 77. Actually, let's do a whole shot. See what we got. Forgot my glasses, so it's wow, that rain is like rocks hitting your eyes and your face. So let me do one more. What's funny, this is Florida. Look at this, the sun is out and it's raining. Come on now, raining with the sun out, crazy. Well, let's try to see if we can get at least a 77. I still like the RXP. So another thing I want to do is I want to take off the pump wedge and see if it really works. All right, so we saw 78 miles per hour. Really interesting. So I don't know, really have to think about this. I really need the draggy for this. Let me do a few more runs and see what without holding the camera and all that, and see what I can come up with. All right, guys, so I'm here working on my jet ski and I see these two crazy guys here picking up trash. What is this about?
This is the Regrowth Project, baby. We get out there, we clean trash every day. We love natural areas, we love clean communities. Hate to see litter on the ground.
Yes,
just,
I know what you mean.
A beautiful place,
yes.
You know? So I've been doing this for about 2.5 years. We just get out there and clean. The Regrowth Project on Instagram, theregrowthproject.com.
Nice, man. I mean, this is crazy. I love that because, you know, I'm always on the jet ski. I see all the trash and I say, man, this is crazy. Well, it was nice meeting you.
Good to meet you.
And you too, man. So, yay. If you guys want it, if someone wants to come and do it with you, they can too.
Anytime. DM me on Instagram. I get out here every day.
He seems like a fun guy. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do now is I'm putting back this prop, the RXP-X prop, the stock prop, and we're gonna run it without the pump wedge. And let's see if the pump wedge really works. All right, so here's the pump wedge. We're taking this one out and see what we get with just this prop. Like I say, I haven't even finished putting in the new prop and pump, and it's sunny outside. Look at this. No rain, no nothing. Gotta love Florida, boy. All right, so we're here. Let's see the mile per hour. That's really what I want to see, if it really works. I know it works in certain models, like when I had it in my RXP-07, the pump wedge did work. But I don't know, in these new jet skis, that's why I tell everybody, you have to try different stuff. Just because it works for somebody else or it works in another jet ski doesn't mean it's gonna work on yours. You just gotta try it. That's interesting. 75 miles. That's really interesting. Huh. And all these tests, they've been done on the same day. Okay, well, let's go back and see what it does the other way. And this time we're gonna cheat a little bit and hide behind the air and kind of step back and see if it makes a difference. Definitely what I expected. It looks like it's one solid mile, and you know what, I'll take that mile. So let's put it back on and let's go back and see if we can get that 70 again, because it only went 77. All right, so yeah, let's put it back on. Here it is. It's a regular pump wedge and see what we can get. So now the rain is gone, we can come back, put the pump wedge back on, and let's see if we can get those 78 back. We'll see. So I bet you that's because of weather change, or maybe I need to hide behind the wind. So let's hide behind the wind again and let's see what we get. think we got 78. I don't know. Let me go look. All right, guys. So I guess I hit too much, and I didn't even see. You guys are probably gonna see it on the video, but I did not get to see if I hit 78. So now I put it on top speed, and I'm gonna high really good and see if we can get those 78 again, or possibly a 79. I'm gonna hold it longer. They hold it a little bit longer, so it definitely gained back the mile that we lost without the pump wedge. So pump wedge works 1 mile per hour at this speed. That's great. So I think I have the fastest prop. It's between this one and 1318. Like I said, we have to do more serious tests to see the acceleration and all that, but they're pretty close. The RXP 4-blade 21 and up, and the 1318 Solas 3-blade. So I don't know, it's comes down to whatever you want. Conclusion, either the 1318 Solas 3-blade or the factory 4-blade from the 2021 and up RXP-X. Both are pretty good. So I'm gonna keep the factory 4-blade, and we got 78 miles per hour on this. That Jetski's put my own flash with HP tuners, and that is gonna be another episode. This is gonna be it for this video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe so we can grow this channel. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.
We'll be right back.